Welcome to Product Critique, where we delve deep into the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're exploring what might just be the best Breastmilk Necklace Kit DIY available. The Love Catcher DIY Breastmilk Jewelry Kit in Rose Gold. This kit promises to turn precious moments of motherhood into timeless keepsakes. Let's dive in. Imagine capturing the essence of your breastfeeding journey in a beautifully crafted piece of jewelry. The Love Catcher DIY Breastmilk Jewelry Kit allows you to do just that. Whether you're a new mom cherishing those early bonding moments or looking for a heartfelt gift, this kit stands out for its craftsmanship and sentimentality. This kit includes everything you need to create a stunning teardrop pendant. From high-quality, yellowing-resistant resin to a 925 sterling silver ring setting plated with 14K gold. Every detail is designed for longevity and beauty. Even if you're new to jewelry making, fear not. The kit comes with comprehensive instructions and a helpful video guide, ensuring a smooth crafting experience. Plus, there's real-time online support available to assist you every step of the way. Crafted from nickel-free 925 sterling silver, this necklace is hypoallergenic and safe for sensitive skin, a crucial consideration for jewelry worn close to the heart. Beyond the essential materials, the kit includes luxurious packaging, a jewelry box and gift box, making it an ideal choice for gifting or personal use. Creating a breastmilk necklace isn't just about fashion, it's about commemorating a unique journey. Whether as a personal memento or a gift to celebrate motherhood, this necklace serves as a tangible reminder of those cherished moments. In conclusion, the Love Catcher DIY Breastmilk Jewelry Kit in Rose Gold isn't just a kit. It's an opportunity to create something truly meaningful. With its premium materials, user-friendly design, and heartfelt purpose, it stands out as the best breastmilk necklace kit DIY on the market today. If you're ready to transform precious memories into a wearable masterpiece, click the link in the description to get your Love Catcher DIY Breastmilk Jewelry Kit today. Don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews on innovative products like this one. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for our next episode as we uncover more products that redefine functionality and beauty. Until next time, this is Product Critique signing off. Remember, it's not just about the product, it's about the experience it creates. Happy crafting!